Oh, we got brakes, boys. Well, Jingles, what do you think about this operation, buddy?
Good.
Yeah. Good. Anyways, guys, starting the video off is an 84 Indy Trail 440. Guy claims it's a 400.
30th anniversary.
You betcha. 30 years of spirit. Look at the spider cracking on this sucker. He said it was in a hailstorm, which I definitely agree because the windshield is no longer there.
That's a factory out.
Yeah. But these are kind of cool. You know, we had one recently, guys, if you've been following the channel. Just got rid of that one about 2.5 weeks ago. I have a new windshield. Well, new to this sled. It's got brakes.
Brakes need to be bled.
Yeah, it just needs to be bled and put fluid in for sure. This seat, guys, just came with it. He gave us this other seat. As Jingles, he's sniffing it out. He's checking it. Mm-hmm. He gave us the seat foam with some kind of cover that he half fuculated together. Yep. And so, main thing we're going to do with this, get it running on its own. We've heard it run. We know it's got compression. We tested it, 120 about. Let's just see if it'll run on its own. The choke, I might have a choke cable, buddy. I think I got one. Anyways, guys, let's get this hood open. Definitely has its issues with the hood, for sure. Like I said, it was outside.
Though.
Oh, he gave us a spare? Nice. This has got electric start, guys. Let me know if you guys are Wedge Indy guys, if this 30th anniversary was a factory electric start model, or if this was added on. So first things first, we need to see what's in the gas tank. And the steering actually steers, which is awesome. I don't think the level was on the gas cap either, so... Oh.
Well, you
got a flashlight?
I don't know. I got a phone.
See what we got in there. And the guy didn't give us anything in the back of the seat, so this is really starting off rough. Still has the toolkit though on the side. I'll get you in here a little closer. But she warmed up a little bit up here, so we can work on some sleds outside. They welded that on there before.
I see the pickup line.
You do?
I do.
That's a good.
Is it connected?
Is another question. Oh, what's in the tank? Anything?
That might be the problem.
It's off?
The pickup line's caked.
Nice.
Well, the filter on the end of it looks caked.
Let's try to get the Chinese fingers out and let's try to grab that pickup.
It's connected though, but she might be split.
Well, oh, dude, right here. Well, guys, just you gotta get a little. I mean, this is. I wonder why it wasn't pulling any gas up. He says. Well, so we might as well take the fitting out, pull the line out. Let's see what it looks like. Put a new one in. That's probably the issue. Hence why it doesn't pull any gas up. So
needs a fuel pump.
Needs a fuel pump, he says.
Yeah, I don't know if any fuel pump's gonna draw through that.
Yeah, so the fuel lines up here are soft.
Carb boots look alright.
Carb boots are not the worst. Like I said, guys, this is a factory ring gear on the clutch for the electric start.
That battery in the other guy.
Yep. So we might as well redo the fuel line up to there. I don't like this rubber line either. That's hard as a carp.
See, it's already got rubbed through on the top there.
Nice.
Recoil rub.
Factory. And then we'll work on bleeding the brakes at the end. But I think that'll get us started. Basically what we're going to do, guys, is take that fitting out, pull the pickup line out. I'll turn the camera back on when we get that done. So went ahead and replaced that fuel line that was busted from the pickup fitting to the fuel shutoff valve. We went to turn that fuel petcock fitting, or fuel pickup line fitting, I guess you'd call it, tank fitting. Turned it, and it was going to shear off, so we left it. And we also did check. We blew through it, and it's connected inside the tank, so we're going to take a chance. Sullivan's just going to take the Harbor Freight transfer pump and pump out the remaining contents of the gas tank. Then we will put fresh gas in it, injection oil, pull one of the fuel lines off the carbs, blow in the tank, see if we get fuel up to the carburetors, and then attempt to start it. And then if we get it to run, we will work on the brakes. So that is what the game plan is, and we'll go from there. Replace the one fuel line for the left side carb. We soaked the choke cable and throttle cables with PB Blaster. The choke cables look like the plungers are going to be freed up, but we need to replace the choke lever itself, which I'll just put a used cable on most likely. We blew in the tank with fresh gas, and there was gas up to the carburetors, so that is great. What we're going to do is give it a little help with some starting fluid or carb spray. We usually like mixed gas, which we might as well just go to the Kwanzaa hut and get the mixed gas. So we're going to put some mixed 2-cycle gas right in the carburetors till it runs on its own, pulling its own fuel up, and then see how it runs. Got it up on a jack stand, aka track stand, and see if it'll go. But like I said, had good compression. These 440 fans are pretty reliable engines. And this was the first year of the P85, guys. The 83, like I had, was a closed face clutch. This was the first year that they came out with the P85, 1984, if I'm not mistaken. So we will let you know how she goes here in a second. Alrighty, guys, we got the mixed gas in the bottle, and you're gonna have to keep it running on that, Caleb, just so you know.
Okay.
Oh yeah. No tack.
Get that.
Sounds pretty healthy though. Will it restart? Little recap there. All we did was spray with some of our mixed gas, and as you can tell, it ran on its own. It might need a little carb tuning and cleaning, but
I mean, you could probably run the bugs out, throw a little seafoam through it. It might clear up itself.
it's idling on its own.
It's idle, and it restarted.
I yanked this, the freaking pull rope hook must be a little compromised, but let's swap that fuel line out quick, guys. And
That top one there, you said?
the one way on the side, you know, the one we didn't replace for the right side. Alrighty, we'll get that changed out, guys, and we'll see if we can attempt to bleed the brakes. We didn't check the carb sinks, we gotta check that yet. And see what happens, let you know. Oh, we got brakes, boys. We got it running. We replaced both fuel lines now. Got brakes. The brakes are definitely not the best, but we couldn't get the bleeder loose, so we did the next best thing, at least put fluid in it, so they work a little bit. And we're gonna get rid of whatever, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna leave that with it. Anyways, should be golden for now. So, just gotta fix up a seat for it and get her put up for sale and make some money. Threw some seafoam in her, put the choke cable in, you know, a few odds and ends. But overall, runs, drive, stops. Should be golden. Hope you guys like these old sled videos. Try to do more of them when we can, but we picked up another one outside, but that safari's too far gone. At least this one here made a good little quick video. Had her running and driving, and track's a little loose, but that's no big deal. No big deal.
Rusty Justin can't do.
Heck yeah. So sounds good, guys. See you in the next video.